This is my 1992 Civic hatchback, and in this video we're going to be getting to clips like this. But first, let me show you all our new t-shirt design. Woo, look at that. And check out these stickers we've made too. See anything you like? Pick it up at refine-movement.com, and thank you so much for supporting our channel. Now I know that if this video starts to gain some steam, that most people are going to be coming here to hear just the full throttle clips. You could totally do that. There are two of them in this video, one about halfway through and then one towards the end. But I've tried to set this thing up to where you can hear the sound at all the RPM ranges. This is the very first drive of this car with this engine. So, I wanted to go ahead and warm the thing up. You'll see that we're gonna time it. And then I started to work my way into getting up into full throttle. All right, so the car is all timed up. Man, could you stop rattling for a minute? So the new race mounts, yeah, they're a little stiff. Good thing this isn't my daily. I drove this thing around just to warm it up. It's all timed now. I went ahead to 18 degrees, supposedly better for more top end, That's where this thing's gonna be living on track. As I was driving around the neighborhood, nothing fell off. So that's a good start. Man, it is a beautiful Florida evening out here. Car's running really well. I'm just kind of babying it up to the different RPMs, Again, nothing has fallen off. I'm not leaking anywhere. Things are going good. Anytime that I've swapped an engine, I've never just taken the car right out onto the main road or like a highway or anything like that. I always kind of put it around my neighborhood and, I go places that are pretty close to my house. Just in case something falls off or something breaks or whatever, I can push it back to my house with relative ease. So I started to get pretty confident. After doing them clips that you saw, I was like, okay, car's working good. It didn't give me any reason not to trust it. So I decided to go ahead and take it out onto, there's kind of an orange grove. I live in Florida, so, it's still a pretty decent back road, but it leads out onto a main road. So let's start to get this thing up to some RPM. out our new t-shirt, Refined Movement. This is the Honda Wrenching Club. You can pick it up at refined-movement.com. We also have stickers, plenty of stickers available. Check out our stickers, guys. So what are the numbers? Everyone wants to know. Well, first off, again, this is an HKS high power exhaust system. This is on a D series engine. Yes, you can get it for a D series. This is a JDM D16A, and the complete exhaust system that I have is just a cheap used eBay header, a test pipe, which is 2.25 inches, and then it goes into the HKS system. The main piping throughout the HKS system is 2.1 inches. And then the muffler at the end, I think it's like 3.5, somewhere around there. It's a lot bigger. But obviously that part is just like, bleh, get it out. For me, for what I'm using, the 2.1 inch is perfect. A lot of guys may hear that number and be like, dude, like that's so small, aren't you choking off the engine? But you know, keep in mind, again, this is a D16. It makes like 120 horsepower, maybe. Going downhill with a 50-mile-an-hour wind behind me, maybe it can get all 120 horses going. But I love it, man. This car is a ton of fun and everything is working great. I am super, super happy with that. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I've had some troubles with this car. So it's feeling good, you guys. It's feeling reliable. I want to set up a track day before anything breaks. Please check out our Instagram as well. It's at refined-movement. You can see some stuff there, like we're working on it. But it's cool. We got some cool stuff going. So I hope you all enjoyed this. Be staying tuned for some track days coming up, please. And yeah, thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next. Good job, car.